Hi, Karthik.
Hi, ma'am.
How are you?
Fine, ma'am. You?
Yes, I'm good, Karthik. So this is Aruna from Quality Department. I just want to take a feedback from your side. So before starting the congratulations for your placements.
Thank you. Thank you.
So can you introduce about yourself, Karthik?
Myself, Karthik, and I have done my civil engineering in Mysore. I was looking for a job, but the job was not available due to not experience. I'm a fresher now. So the job opportunities was less. I don't know how to approach in the field. When I scrolling the Instagram, I known about CMTI. I contact through that, and I joined the CMTI.
So you're from which college, Karthik?
I'm from MIT Mysore,
MIT Mysore. So which year passed out your?
22.
So 2022 passed out.
Yes.
Fine. So which course you have obtained here?
Ma'am, I obtained CACM course. I was looking for a site work, so I opted CACM.
Fine. So what and all you learned in that?
It has have a brief knowledge about civil engineering industry, like planning, bar bending schedule, some site visits were taken, and some software also was teached. So it was good.
Fine. So how was Ashok sir and all, Karthik?
It, Ashok sir was very supportive while getting if any doubts were there. If we approach him, he would clarify us doubts like that. And each and every trainers were very helpful while training, and they have broad knowledge on the industries.
So what about CMTI app? How did that help you?
App has helped us. If any classes has been missed, we go through the app only, and some interview preparations, some videos was there. So it was helpful for self learning.
So how was your interview preparation and all, Karthik?
Yeah, it was great. Actually, I was not able to talk in interview. I was having a little fear. While I get trained, I got a confidence and I cleared the interview.
Fine. So what about staffs of CMTI? How was their coordination throughout the process?
The staff was good and more. They have a more knowledge on the industry. Theoretically and practically, they both taught us while training, and they are very supportive. If you have any doubts, they clarified their own way.
Okay. So finally, what do you want to say to your friends and juniors?
If any freshers who are looking for a job who's struggling to get a job, I would recommend CMTA to do a course and go through their future.
Thank you, Karthik. Thank you so much for your feedback. So all the best for your upcoming days and congratulations for your placements once again. Thank you so much, Karthik.
Thank you.